related by it, since it was being placed before this court in sealed custody. The request, therefore, of the ECI is that the data which has been filed in this court may be returned to it, so as to enable it to comply with the order of this court for uploading all the documents. Full stop. This request of the ECI has not been opposed either by Mr. Kapil Sibal or the Senior Counsel or Mr. Prashant Bhushan, the Counsel. Mr. Vijay Hansaya will be slow. Full stop. We accordingly issue the following directions. (1) The Registrar Judicial of this court shall ensure that the data which has been filed by ECI in pursuance of the interim orders of this court is scanned and digitized. Full stop. Upon the process being complete, this may be preferably carried out during the course. It may be carried by during the course of the day tomorrow, by 5 p.m. tomorrow. Full stop. Once the above exercise is completed, the original shall be returned to Mr. Amit Sharma, the counsel appearing on behalf of the ECI. Full stop. ECI shall then upload the data on its website within a period of on or before, day after.
A copy of the digitized may also be given, Lord, so it will not take time.
A copy of the, yes, fair enough. A copy of the scanned and digitized files shall also be made available to Mr. Amit Sharma so as to obviate the replication of the process of scanning and digitization. So now we'll pass another order. We'll say,
would your lordships consider issuing notice to SBI? They may have something to say.
Why do we have to? They should be here when the matter is going on.
No, I'm sorry, my lord. Please. They filed an application which is disposed of. They are not parties.
But really speaking, we can take exception to what they have disclosed because they were duty bound.
I'm not appearing for SBI.
The court can pass an order.
Your lordships may hear. I'm not here, my lord, for political.
What is the operative direction in clause?
My lord, may I mention, my lord?
Yes, it says SBI shall submit details of the electoral bonds purchased since the interim order of the court dated 12th February till date to the ECI. The details shall include the date of the purchase of each electoral bond, the name of the purchaser of the bond, and the denomination of the electoral bond purchase. Shall include. It doesn't mean it will exclude. SBI.
Your lordship's order is clear. What your lordships meant, my lord.
Allow me, sir. Allow me. SBI shall submit the details of political parties which have received contributions to electoral bonds since the interim order of the court dated 12th April till the date of the ECI. SBI must disclose details of each electoral bond, details encashed by political parties, which shall include the date of the encashment and the denomination of the bond. So this is an inclusive order. It shall include all details.
Lord, so would your lordships see BNC?
And your lordship had said that the reason
B and C of your lordship's original. I'm not appearing. I'm assisting. I feel, my lord, SBI needs to be.
The order of this court, the judgment of the Constitution bench required SBI to furnish to the ECI all details of the electoral bonds purchased and as the case may be purchased or as the case may be redeemed by political parties, including the date of purchase. What are the other?
yes,
Date of
Your
purchase,
lordships,
Name of
B and
purchase.
C for my satisfaction.
name of purchaser, purchase which have received,
and the denomination.
the denomination, date of purchase, name of
the name of the
purchaser, and
purchaser,
denomination.
and the date of purchase / redemption. Full stop. It has been pointed out, it has been submitted that SBI has not disclosed the electoral bond
Number.
the electoral bond number. What is it called? Is it called the unique identification number, or is it called the
unique alphanumeric number on each bond?
The alphanumeric number of the electoral bonds. Full stop. The Solicitor General submits that since he is not appearing for the SBI, a notice may be issued to SBI. Full stop. We direct the registry to issue notice to SBI, returnable on Monday.
Fair
Keep it on. We keep it on Monday.
Very well. Keep your flags.
A copy.
My lord, may I mention, my lord?
Mr. Agarwal, just a moment. Don't interfere. A copy of the copy of this order shall be forwarded by the Registrar Judicial on the Standing Counsel appearing for the for SBI.
May I request, my lord, one thing?
Mr. Kapoor. Sanjay Kapoor.
Lord, may I request, your lordships are keeping this on Monday. We are guests among us. This mentioning can wait, my lord, till Monday. I hope, my lord, I can convey myself.
There we agree with us.
There is something to be said for what the solicitor said.
Lord,
Mr. Agarwal, would you like to mention this on Monday?
My lord, I sent yesterday one request to Honorable Lordship for sumoto.
Credit us with reading our files and correspondence both. Would you like to mention this on Monday, Mr. Agarwal?
But I would request him to
Lordship
mention
is
on
fully
Monday.
aware.
All of us will request him.
Yes, madam. We join
Your
this.
Lordship may
We are
permit me to
at
file
item on this.
proper application. But I was not a party, my lord.
Please respect the sentiments of your colleagues.
All of us are jointly requesting you to mention on Monday.
Keep your guys.
Great, great.
Obliged.
All right, so the Supreme Court there was hearing a plea from the Election Commission asking for a return of documents that they had given to the top court in a sealed order. Said documents had all the details of receipts of electoral bonds, or what political parties have encashed right from the start of the electoral bond scheme in 2018. Now, what the Election Commission has published on its website so far is from April 2019 onwards. All the information before that was given to the Supreme Court in a sealed order. Now, the Supreme Court's original order had asked for the Election Commission to put all the information in the public domain. The Election Commission went back to the Supreme Court and said that we can't put all the information because we gave you the original documents in a sealed order and we don't have a copy because of secrecy. The Supreme Court now has said that we will in turn give you all of those sealed documents, but only after a digital copy is made. So the original papers can be returned to the EC after making a digital copy for it. At the end of the day, does it make a huge difference to what has happened in the electoral bonds case? Not really. We'll just have more information on exactly how much value of bonds were encashed by various parties. It's not had too much of an impact on the market. The market has turned in the last half hour to 40 minutes or so. The Nifty down nearly 157 points.